professional reverse osmosis installation in Queen Creek and the East Valley. Welcome to Waterbucks, your local experts for reverse osmosis installation in Queen Creek, Arizona. If cloudy water, odd tastes, or scale buildup are problems in your home, our team can bring crisp, clean hydration straight from the tap. Waterbucks handles every step, from initial inspection to flawless system startup, so you enjoy reliable, long-term performance with minimal maintenance. What are the benefits of reverse osmosis? Reverse osmosis is the gold standard in point-of-use drinking water purification. By forcing water through an ultrafine membrane, it strips away up to 99% of dissolved solids, heavy metals, and contaminants. The result? Restaurant-quality ice and beverages, longer-lasting appliances free from mineral scale, lower bottled water costs, and less plastic waste. Best of all, a professionally installed reverse osmosis system is quiet, compact, and simple to service, especially when it's a reverse osmosis installation in Queen Creek handled by our seasoned technicians. Why choose Waterbucks? At Waterbucks, we eat, sleep, and breathe water quality. Every reverse osmosis installation in Queen Creek is tailored to your home's pressure, plumbing layout, and family usage. Our licensed, bonded, and insured crew arrives on time, protects your property, and explains each component before we leave. Need help down the road? Prompt repairs are only a phone call away. Another reason savvy homeowners trust Waterbucks for worry-free service. Proudly serving the East Valley. We're not just in Queen Creek. We proudly serve Queen Creek, Santan Valley, Mesa, Chandler, Gilbert, and Florence with the same 5-star service and friendly support. Wherever you live in the East Valley, our trucks carry the parts and expertise to complete most jobs in a single visit. Call or click for your free estimate. Ready to elevate drinking water? Contact Waterbucks today for a no-pressure quote on reverse osmosis installation in Queen Creek and the East Valley for fast expert repairs. Call the number on screen or request your estimate online. Call 480-387-1627 or visit us online at www.waterbucksaz.com.